HP toughens up a pair of Chromebooks for says 2018. The Chromebook 14 G5 and 11 G6 are made to survive office and school work without weighing you down. Chromebooks have made headway into offices and schools, and HP's latest options, announced ahead of CES 2018, bring fresher specs and tougher build quality to the category to handle life being passed around from person to person. Dressed in lightweight but sturdy grey plastic, the new 14-inch Chromebook 14 G5 and 11.6-inch Chromebook 11 G6 are built to LSTD 810G standards, with reinforced corners and hinges and spill-resistant keyboards. Each is available with HD-resolution IPS touch screens that fold back 180 degrees for those times when a group needs to huddle around the screen. Around the sides you'll find USB-C ports for accessories and external displays. They're also used for charging to simplify keeping a fleet of them ready to use. And you get 802.11 AC 2x2 wireless. It doesn't take much to run Google's Chrome OS and web and Android apps, so its internal components are low end compared to Apple and Windows laptops. Still, HP has updated these with more current 7th gen Intel processors to keep them humming along. Options include Intel Celeron N3350 or N3450 processors, up to 8GB of memory, up to 64GB of eMMC storage. Pricing is still being worked out, but you should be able to find them in February.